Discovery Library. The world we live in is filled with so many sounds. What was the first sound you heard this morning? Was it your kitty cat crying to be fed? Was it someone calling you a sleepyhead? Maybe you heard wind in the trees so tall. Or did you hear footsteps coming down the hall? Did you first hear a rooster crowing at dawn? Or maybe it was a neighbor mowing his lawn. Was it the yelp of a puppy expecting a treat? Did you hear cars and buses out in the street? Once you are awake, there are so many sounds to hear. The house is full of sounds. TV, radio, telephone, Hoover, water dripping, kettle whistling, cooker sizzling. Can you make the sounds of the things shown here? What are some sounds you hear around your house? Outside sounds are often big and loud. Bells ringing, machines at work, a fire engine siren, thunderstorms, the foghorn on a big boat. Can you make the sounds of the things shown here? What are some other big, loud, outdoor sounds? Some sounds tell us things we need to know. We hear the doorbell and we know someone has come to visit. A train whistle tells us to watch out and stay back. The train is coming. Careful! The sound of a buzzing mosquito means someone might get stung. What is a sound that tells you something you need to know? Some sounds are funny, like hiccups, or a big, loud, belching burp. A hee-haw laugh might make you laugh too. What are some sounds that make you laugh? Many sounds are so soft that we hardly hear them at all, like the quiet tick-tock of a clock, and whispers at night once you've turned off the light. What are some other soft sounds? When night comes, the house grows quiet. Most people are sleeping, but many animals are just waking up. Listen. A wide-eyed owl hoots in the treetops. A wolf howls at the moon. A chorus of frogs calls out. Can you croak like a frog? Can you hoot like an owl? Can you howl like a wolf? Animals make so many sounds. Big cats roar. Big pigs snuffle and snort. Little cats purr and hiss. Little pigs squeal and squish. Dogs yelp and yowl. They bark and growl. Birds chirp and coo. Insects buzz and cows go moo. Can you name each animal shown here? What sound does each animal make? Some of the very best sounds come from musical instruments. Many instruments have got strings. The guitar, the harp, and the violin all have got strings. The flute and the trumpet are two instruments you blow into. Some instruments make sounds when you hit them. Drums are this kind of instrument. So is the xylophone. What kinds of musical instruments have you got at home? What kind of musical instrument would you like to play? Can you make a sound like each of these instruments? Can you name all the instruments on these pages? Your voice is like an instrument too. Speak, sing, shout. The sound of your voice moves through the air. Others hear you. Dogs have got excellent hearing. They hear sounds that people never hear at all. An echo is a special kind of sound. Imagine standing near a high canyon wall and shouting out your name. The sound moves out like a wave you cannot see. It hits the canyon wall and bounces back. You will hear your own name ringing through the canyon. When the sound comes back like this, it is called an echo. Many things in this picture make sounds. How many of these things can you find? Try making the sound of each thing you find. Just listen. Sound is all around. What do you hear right now?